Have you ever found yourself trying to track changes in a file, only to feel lost in the sea of commits? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to help you see changes to a specific file by a commit in Git. I totally get it. You want to see what changes were made to a specific line in a file, and it can be confusing when the commands don't seem to give you the right output. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked how to see the changes made to a file at line 147 using Git. They used the command git blame to find the commit, but when they tried to use git show to see the changes, they got no output. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be going wrong here? The issue might stem from the fact that the commit in question may not have modified the lines you are interested in. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand how to effectively track changes. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you navigate Git commands like a pro. To see the changes made by the commit with ashay d21z6ccc3, the user should use the command git show followed by the commit ha and the file path. This command will display the differences introduced by that specific commit. If the user finds that the output is empty, it may be due to the fact that the commit did not modify the specified lines in the file. The user can check the commit history for that file to confirm what changes were made. Another approach the user can take is to use the command git diff with the commit shay and the file path. This will show the differences between the specified commit and its parent. Lastly, if the user wants to see a summary of changes made to the file over time, they can use git log with the -p option. This will show the commit history along with the changes for each commit. Did you know? The first version control systems were created in the 1970s, and they were nothing like the Git we use today. We've come a long way, but sometimes it still feels like we're stuck in the past when troubleshooting. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the git diff command. You can compare the changes made in the specific commit with its predecessor by using the command git diff followed by the commit shay and its base. This command will give you a detailed diff output of the file's contents. Remember, if you're looking at the wrong commit, simply replace the shay with the correct one. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the command git diff followed by the commit shay and the file path. This command will show you the changes made to the specific file by that commit. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double check your commit shay and file paths when using Git commands. This habit can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You should now be able to see the changes made to a specific file by a commit. Remember, understanding your Git commands is key to effective version control. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on mastering Git.